Hey there everyone, this is Janvi Pujari and I'm back again with another video of this series where we're gonna see how to apply hover effects on cards. Now my friends, cards are a very crucial part of a website. You see any website, you will definitely find out card section. Card section as in there are various sections where they show pictures or put any information. For that reason cards are very important. Now imagine applying some hover effects, like suppose you will click on a card and something will slide in from this side or from top to bottom. Anyways, so let's get started. So guys, I'm an educator in Newton School. So let's see what Newton School is all about. So my friends, Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. They have variety of courses which help professional working people and also for the people from non-tech background. Isn't that amazing, guys? They train you for 6 months to be a full stack web developer. Also, they ensures that you get placed in the best companies in the country. This wasn't the best part, guys. They have pay after placement facilities which ensures that you don't need to pay anything until and unless you get placed in the best companies with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Isn't that crazy, guys? So one more thing. Here you can see Launchpad. Launchpad is an initiative by Newton School for the students who want to learn coding from scratch. And here you can do as much as quiz you want and assignments you want to practice for the free of cost. Isn't that cool? And I want you all to go and check out their pages and try your hands on with this practice questions. So my friends, we are done with the introduction part. Now let's quickly jump into the code. Now let's see how to do a hover effects on card. Now here I will write one div with the class as the wrapper, and inside that I will put one image which I wanted on the front of my card. Below that I will write one div with the class name as overlay. Overlay as in, why we are doing that? Because whenever somebody will hover on that particular card, we want some text to slide in from down, right? So that's why we want that. Inside that overlay we will write one more class as content, and inside that we will write content which we want to slide in. So my friends, this was for HTML. Now let's see how to style CSS. One thing my friends, if you want the source code of this, please let me know in the comments. I would be happy to share that with you, my friends. Now, talking about this, you can use any image, my friends, like literally any image. There is no compulsion that you have to use this particular image. And here I have done this with only one card. You can try this as many as cards you want. And so as usual we will say margin as 0, padding as 0, and we will say font family as sans serif. Now we will target our image tag, and there we will say display block, and we will give it some width and height. Now here I wanted to adjust a little bit my image, that's why I am doing this. If you also want to do the same, then you can do that. Okay, now I will target my wrapper class, and I will say the width should be 80%. You can adjust according to you, there are no issues, my friends. And then we will say margin, height, and position as relative, and we will give it left 20%, and then and we will say top and left, and also we will translate it minus 50% from the x-axis and minus 50% from the y-axis. Right, now why are we doing this? I have almost repeated this in every tutorial. We are doing this because we want to put that element in the center, and this is one of the trick to put that element in the center. Now after styling everything, we will say position, right, to make everything in the between, and I have given it position as absolute, and I have said bottom as 0. Now why bottom as 0? Because it should slide in from the bottom, right? So that's why it should be 0, and the left and right should also be 0, right? And I have given width, height and transition for a smooth animation. Now why are we doing this overflow as hidden? Because it should not go outside of it, right? And here we will say whenever somebody will hover on the wrapper, right, the overlay should be, its height should be 100%. It should come whole and cover everything. So that's why we will say that height should be 100%. Now when we will see this, you will see that it's really wide. So that is why come back to the overlay and adjust your width accordingly, according to your card image. So my friends, our project is ready and I found it really cool. Imagine you're working on some travel website and you are giving that we are going to this locations, or you have been to this locations. Imagine how cool it will look that whenever somebody will click on it and the information about that particular place like slides in. Don't you think that would look cool? I found it really cool. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this, and also if you have any doubts, please reach me out. I would be really happy to help you out. And yeah, bye bye guys. Have a great evening. Bye.